With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Well, hello students. Now we are going to see this question. The question says that the time period of a pendulum on a satellite orbiting Earth, okay, satellite orbiting Earth will be. So basically, if you see a satellite that is orbiting Earth, the net force on the satellite, the acceleration, firstly we'll see about the time period, okay. Time period surely depends upon is directly proportional to 1 upon g, that also under root, okay. So it is dependent upon the acceleration due to gravity, okay, of the Earth. So if you see properly, what is the case over here is that the acceleration due to gravity on a satellite, okay, satellite that is orbiting Earth, okay, is basically 0. Why? Because the satellite is out of the gravitational pull of the Earth basically, okay. So g will be 0, okay, on a satellite. The g is basically equal to 0. So time period is theoretically infinity, okay, theoretically infinite, okay, infinite. So what do we understand by this? Since this is time period is directly proportional to under root 1 upon g, so t is directly proportional to under root 1 upon g, okay. So basically if you see, and g is basically what? G is 0. So basically over here this will come out to be as it is directly proportional to 1 by under root of 0. That is what? This is equal to infinity, okay. You might be thinking that this is under root of 0, so why infinity? Okay, under root of 0 is 0 only, okay, so don't worry. And infinity 1 by 0 is basically given as infinity. So basically our answer will be what? Our answer will be option number C, that is infinite, okay. So this is basically our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.